Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Sarah from Qingdao T&T Homewares. This is a KD laundry basket. You can see clearly about the body. We printed the patterns and also the lid we printed. And you can see the back side of the basket. We use the very long cotton rope. And when you open it, you can see a huge storage space. Yes, you can put your clothes into it to protect your individuals. About this one, actually, you can also pull out the bottom cardboard. Yes, same as the previous one, and package like this. Yes, it's then very convenient, right? So for this one, the MOQ is 500 pieces, and because it's the foldable one, so it will be save your container space and your freight. And we all know the raw material increased so high, so actually I think fabric is also your best choice to buy.